What is up, guys? Cookie Gestos here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, we are going to do a simple 3D exercise. This is basically for beginners. Alright, so you can take your smartphones and take a picture of what we are about to do or of the 3D model you see on your screens. So without wasting my time, let us launch our software. My software has already been launched, so I'll just click on it to open. Alright, so what I'll do first is I'll have to first create a part file. We're not going to do an assembly drawing presentation or basically a 2D drawing. I'm just going to do a part file. So I'll just select this part, select and create my part file. Alright, so we need to start this design, and what you do first is you first have to analyze this drawing to see which plane it suits best to start your 3D model from. So I think with this design it is best to start from the plan, and this is basically the plan. So it is best to start from this side. So we are going to do this 10, this 2, 15, 2 and 5. That is basically the dimensions given over here. Alright, so I'll come to my Autodesk Inventor, create a new sketch, select the XZ plane, that is the top plane, select it like this. What I'll do is I'll use my rectangle tool to draw all these things we see over here, 1, 2, and we'll use the line tool to do this, and come to this side. Alright, so I'll first have to draw any rectangle to any dimension because we will dimension it later. Pick my line command, come to this side, my line command again, this side, bring it down and join it to this side. Now let us first look at the dimensions. This side was giving us 10, this side was giving us 2 units, and this side was giving us, the whole thing was giving us 15. So you subtract the 15, 2 from the 15, going to be left with 13. So this whole side becomes 13. This whole side, from this side to this side, becomes what? 13. Alright. So I'll first pick my dimension 2. So I'll zoom out and pan my drawing to the center. So I first given the dimension 10, and this side was giving us 2 units. So if this side is 2, meaning here becomes 13 units, and this side was also giving us 3 and 2. Alright, and this whole height was giving us 20, so we can do 18 over here and 2 over here because it is fully constrained. You just have to leave it like that. So I'm done with my plan. We have few things to do. So what I'll do is I'll either press E on my keyboard to enable the extrusion command, or I'll finish my sketch over here, press this home for my drawing to come, and I'll select the extrude. So now with the extrusion, you are going to select a profile. So this is one profile, this is one profile, and this is another profile. But let us go and look at the dimension at which we have to extrude this 3D model. Alright, so with the extrusion, we are going to deal with this side. With the extrusion, there is the dimension I'm basically going to use, and this side, the whole length from the base was giving us 12, this side was giving us 8, and this side was giving us 2. Okay, so this side was giving us 12, just type in 12 unit. This side was giving us 12, and when I add or click another profile, it's going to give me the same height as the other profile, but we want different height. So what I'll do is I'll click on this plus sign to add or to create a new extrusion. So I'll click on it like this. This side was giving us 2. I'll add another extrusion, and this side was giving us 8. Just press OK. All right, so our drawing is looking amazing and nice. So what is left for us to do, guys? What is left for us to do is we have to create our fillet on this edge. So what I'll do is I'll select the fillet command. This is the fillet command. The moment I select it, I type in the radius at which this edge was filleted. Let us check the radius. The radius was given as 5 units. So I'll just type in over here 5 and I'll select this tip as 5 units. I'll just press OK to apply. Alright guys, so I'm done with my 3D model. Let me apply some materials to it. Let's do the gold metal. Alright, so I have my 3D model nicely drawn this way. I hope you really like this beginner's tutorial. Please make sure you hit on the like button, make sure you hit on the subscription button, and share this video to your friend. This is basically what we do here. We teach CAD, anything related to computer aided design. Alright, so thank you guys for watching and catch you on another one.